Believe it or not, YouTube Premium is giving away free 3 months Nitro. I think I am a bit late for this video, but not too late. If you read this article, it started in March 29th, 2023. I am sure some of you may have already redeemed it. One thing I also want to add is that only people in South Korea and the US can claim this Nitro. I don't know why, but it's ridiculous. I'll show you. Come to this YouTube page. Click the profile icon on top right-hand corner. Make sure you also have YouTube Premium. Now click YouTube Premium Benefits. Since I don't live in the US or South Korea, I can't find the free Nitro option here. But if you do, then I am sure you will find it. One more thing, this Nitro offer may last till April 30th this year, so claim it as soon as possible. Another thing I want to add is, this offer is only for new Discord accounts, or the accounts that haven't bought Nitro for 12 months. However, if you have Nitro Classic, then it's alright. One last thing is, if you are not in the US or South Korea and you tried using VPN to get the Nitro, then still it won't work. I mean, I tried it, and it didn't work for me. Anyway, you know what else is free? Discord server decors. If you love making aesthetic and amazing servers, come join my Discord server. We have Discord help channel, banner channel where you will see all the amazing banners. If you don't like the decors we have, that's still okay. You can make a request, and we will get it for you. And still, if you are not looking for decors and layouts, that's still fine, you can join us to make new friends. It's an amazing server with over 6,000 folks from all over the world. I am sure you are going to have a great time. Just give it a shot. And if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button so my channel goes into YouTube algorithm. Your support has been incredibly amazing, and my channel is growing so much every day. Make sure to not just subscribe the channel and like the videos, but also to suggest me what videos I should make next, so that I can get a good idea about your wants. Anyway folks, take care.